Hello guys, so nothing serious like that too. I just made this video in Ohafia when I was going to Ohafia. Is Ohafia? Yeah. And Ohafia, all those areas. So I made this video on my way going to Ohafia. And when I was driving through this road, I was a little bit scared because I haven't been to Ohafia before, and I was like, I don't know whether it's safe to be traveling through this road. But then we didn't encounter any negative thing at all. In fact, I enjoyed the journey, the fresh air coming through. The tricycle is open, so enough fresh air. Then along this road, I noticed they have a lot of what is it called, oil mill. If you look around, you see palm kernel, this thing. So they produce red oil. They produce red oil in this Ohafia very, very well. And I even searched through the internet, and I got to find out that yes, they have an industry here. You understand? And the topography here is very, very beautiful. It's a very calm area. Bush, left hand, on the right hand part of the road is bushy. We have a lot of palm trees along the road too. And I just like the view. So I just brought out my camera and said, let me just make a video and just record as I'm, driving through the road. It has a different look from when you're going to Arochukwu. If you're going to Arochukwu, which side in Arochukwu again? I think Amangwa, Arochukwu. Like if you're going to Arochukwu, the other side of Arochukwu, Amangwa and the rest of them, the view there is different, beautiful too. This one is beautiful, different from the one in Arochukwu side, but they are all beautiful. They all have their own unique destiny. You understand? So along this road, you'll be seeing vehicles. Some of them are going to Umuahia. Some of these vehicles you are seeing, they are going to Umuahia. Some are going to Arochukwu. The road is not that busy like that. It's not very busy, but you shall be seeing vehicles driving through this road. So I was now asking myself, can people travel through this road at night? If you are from Arochukwu, from Ohafia, have you traveled through this road, at night? You drive from Ohafia to Umuahia. When I was driving through this road, I think did we see security checkpoints? We saw one in Arochukwu. I think we still saw, yes, there are checkpoints on this road. So I think military men that are, on the road for security. So I believe it's secured. But stay yet, I don't advise anybody to travel at night or you're traveling in the daytime. So guys, just the video I just want to post show now. So if you're just tuning into my channel for the first time, I made a video in Ohafia. So if you would love to see what Ohafia looks like in April 2026, just scroll down a little bit and you will find the videos I made, in Ohafia town, go like all those areas in Ohafia that are beautiful. Yeah, if you are there, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a video, you will get a notification. I'm gonna drop a go video. May actually leave the video or not. So guys, come with me as I journey into the ancient kingdom of Ohafia, the warrior kingdom of Ohafia.